Hey guys.
Hey guys, we're back.
Today we'll be talking about Albany and
Budgeting.
Yeah, and everything that went into that. So we're gonna start off with
Day one.
well, yeah, and the the Airbnb price as well as bus tickets, everything put together. We stayed there for 4 days, Monday to Friday. The total.
That's not 4 days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 5 days. 5 days. We stayed there for 5 days. The total was
$311.91. I remember.
So in that it's the Airbnb, which was $191.95, and the bus tickets $119.96. The bus tickets, that's everything combined, so that's 4 tickets, two each,
To
go and come back. And yeah, so when we split that, it was $95.98 each for those 5 days, and each ticket on the bus was $30 basically.
Not bad. Day one.
Started off with Subway.
Yeah. So our first expense was the Subway, which was $5.50. That was $2.75 each to go to Port Authority. And then when we got to Albany, we ate lunch at Healthy on Lark, and that was $28. And then our biggest expense of the day was dinner at Savoy, and it was $108.
Yeah, so if you kind of just ignore that bit, or at least not do what we did, which was go
went
overboard.
All out. It was our first day.
It was our first day. We were kind of excited, all right?
Yeah. So the grand total came out to $141.50.
And the majority of that was food, because we only spent money on 3 things that day. So.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Day two. I'm not like her. I can't memorize stuff. So she memorized all those prices. I can't memorize all those prices.
I'll help you.
So I'll be looking at my phone.
I'll help you.
So we're talking about day 2, all right? Start off with breakfast at Healthy on Lark, and that was $40. It was a filling breakfast.
It was delicious.
Then we went to a museum. It was the Museum of Art, right? It was that art museum that we went to, remember? The art museum?
Oh yeah, the one with like the secret little thingies.
That was 16 in total. Then we went looking for a souvenir, which is very hard, all right?
It was.
It's very difficult. I don't know why. Like, we want like a magnet or a button or something that says Albany on it, but for some reason it's like impossible to find.
We wanted, let's say the truth, we wanted a shot glass.
Oh, we wanted a shot glass, yeah. It's like it's like non-existent, I guess, and the fact that the New York State Museum was closed also made it even more difficult to get an Albany souvenir, because I'm assuming the New York State Museum would have had an Albany souvenir, but since it was closed, I think it's open now, but since it was closed, it was so hard that we ended up going to like a local shop, and we found this magnet that had the city hall.
Yeah. The architecture.
The building, yeah. It was a magnet of it, and I think it said Albany on the bottom. But yeah, $5.50. So, souvenir, $5.50. And then we ended the night with a nice dinner at Savoy. But this time we didn't go as overboard, all right? This time it was 94, the total. So, included everything, it came out to $155.50 in total.
Yeah, so kind of
for
like
day
yesterday, just a little like $10 more.
Yeah.
So day 3. Day 3 we didn't really do much.
Yep, that was Troy Day.
That was the day I had my midterm.
Where we started our day very, very late.
Yeah. So our breakfast was just coffee at Stacks.
Yeah, we had a speed run to an espresso place.
We got iced coffee, and that was $9. So then after I finished my midterm, we got an Uber.
Oh yeah, the Uber.
Yeah, to Troy, and that was $20. Yeah, $20. And that's when we went to the pizzeria shop that was like in the backyard. It was so good. That was our breakfast and dinner basically.
Oh yeah.
That was $44 for 2 pizzas. And then we walked around and we went to get drinks at the Daisy, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how much that was.
Margaritas.
That was $38. And then
with some chips. That were not gluten free.
Yeah. And then we ended the night going home on an Uber.
Again.
That was 15.
Yeah.
Yeah, that day we didn't really do much.
Yeah, we just we basically walked around. The thing is with Albany and Troy, it's a lot of walking around. If you have a car, you can do a lot of free stuff because there's a lot of nature, a lot of parks. Like you don't need to pay a lot.
The bridge.
Yeah, like there's a lot of stuff to do without having to pay. Just be prepared to walk, I guess.
The expenses basically are just Uber and food.
But if you have a car, you don't need the Uber. So your cost would basically be like your standard cost of living. So living in a place and eating.
If you don't cook it.
Yeah.
So the grand total for day 3 was $126.
All right. Day 4.
Day 4.
Last day.
Which is a Friday.
Yeah, which is a Friday. So whatever I said earlier, it's wrong. We stayed there 4 days.
It was
Tuesday to Friday.
Not Monday to Friday.
Yeah. So for that last day, we were heading back. We had brunch.
That's when we had mimosas.
Yeah, it was very good. We went to the Iron Gate Cafe and it was $60 in total. Worth it, definitely. The only thing is they have a weird opening schedule. Their opening days, it's weird. They weren't open, I think, until the day we got there. They weren't open I don't think Tuesday they were open either.
Tuesday was the day we got there.
Oh wait, wow. So on Tuesday they weren't open, I'm assuming, because we tried looking for breakfast that was gluten free and we saw the Iron Gate Cafe, but it was closed and they didn't open I think until Wednesday. But I think we wanted to help you.
Something like that. I don't know. It was very weird. It was a very weird schedule.
But definitely recommend. Yeah, definitely.
Really good.
There's food for everybody.
Yeah. And that's it for Albany.
Yeah.
Then just going back home.
So $60 and then train ride back home. On the subway was $5.50, so $2.75 each. For a grand total of $65.50 for day 4. And yeah, that's basically it for Albany.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna, I guess, calculate it based on certain categories.
So food, our biggest expense of the trip, for a grand total of $421, which was $210.50 each.
What can I say? We're big
foodies.
Food people.
And then what was next? Transportation, which was $46 for the 2 Uber rides.
Yeah, and the train ride.
So 46 was $23 each. And then for entertainment,
a lovely $16.
$16.
So it's each.
Yeah, like literally everything was outside.
The monuments and all that.
It would have been a little bit more if the other museum was open, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
So, you guys ready for the grand total? Ready? Dun, 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 dun. $800.41.
I wonder how that compares to Vegas.
Yeah. So it was roughly $400 each. $446 to be exact.
Each, right? And you remember that's including your 4 days at that place, your bus tickets, your food. Basically those, all right? Because those were the biggest chunks of the money. Your food, where you're living, and how you're getting there. Because entertainment was very small. Not bad.
Not bad. I recommend it. Albany was very nice.
That's our Albany pricing. Yeah, recommend Albany though. It's very nice.
Our next video.
That is very nice. Yeah.
So
that's gonna
stay
be part
tuned.
2. Gonna be reviewing it.
Bye. Wait.
Oh yeah.
You gotta like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.